Have you ever picked up your phone just for a minute, and then suddenly, bam, it's an hour later, and your brain feels fried? Yeah, that's doom scrolling, and it's stealing your time, your energy, and honestly, your peace. So, what if you could replace that with something actually good for you? Here are some hobbies you can start today to break free from that scroll trap.
Journaling.
So what's journaling? Journaling is the practice of writing down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences either by hand or digitally. It's a way to reflect on your life, process emotions, and gain self-awareness. You can write in a notebook, on a computer, or use a digital journaling app. There is no right or wrong way to journal. It's a personal practice.
Reading.
Reading as a hobby offers numerous benefits, including cognitive, emotional, and social improvements. It strengthens the brain, enhances vocabulary and language skills, reduces stress, and promote empathy. You become a better speaker and writer because books naturally refine your ability to communicate. Start with the classics, like Dostoevsky, Camus, and other timeless works like Friedrich Nietzsche. These aren't just stories. They're blueprints for understanding life. Sketching. Sketching increased creativity and stress relief. It can also boost concentration, observation skills, and self-expression. Furthermore, sketching can be a form of mindfulness and a way to connect with one's emotions and ideas. It trains your eyes to see details others miss and gives your mind a break from constant scrolling. Calisthenics. Calisthenics is one of the most natural and powerful ways to train your body. No machines, no weights, just you and your body weight. It helps you build real, functional strength, improves balance, and gives you a lean, athletic look. And as you get stronger, you unlock more advanced skills like handstands and muscle-ups. It's functional and athletic, with real control and definition.
Cooking.
Just a life skill, it's a form of self-care. It sharpens your focus, builds patience, and lets you get creative every single day. You learn to feed yourself better, save money. There's something powerful about making a good meal from scratch. It's more than just food. It's a way to take care of yourself. These are the hobbies I recommend if you want a more meaningful and aesthetic life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.